Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video we are going to see how to set wallpaper to your MI Band 5. Let's get started. Open your MI Fit application, go to Profile and select your Band 5 device. You will have a lot of options, so you have to select Store. So you will have a different set of watch faces. So if you have to select your customized background, you have to select photo watch face. So you have different watch faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have different set of watch faces. I'm selecting this one. So I'm choosing my customized background. So you can resize your wallpaper. So these are all color options for your font. So if you want, you can choose black or you can choose different colors. I have chosen white. So if I click sync watch face, this wallpaper will be synchronized with my MI band. So I did it. So now my watch is updated with the customized background. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please click on like button, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, bye bye.